Today we'll learn how to multiply fractions by finding backslash, RAC 2 3 backslash, of backslash, RAC 3 4 backslash. To find 2/3 of 3/4, we want to multiply the two fractions. Let's write that out. So, multiplying these fractions is just like multiplying two numbers. We multiply the numerators together to get the numerator of the result, and multiply the denominators together to get the denominator of the result. Here, the numerator becomes 2 times 3, since we have 2 in the first fraction and 3 in the second fraction. The denominator becomes 3 times 4. Now, let's do the multiplication. When we multiply the numerators and the denominators, we get 6/12. So we got a fraction now, 6/12. Next, we will simplify 6/12. Simplifying fractions is dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor. Here, the greatest common divisor of 8 and 12 is 6. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 6. Once we do that, we're left with 1/2. So 2/3 of 3/4 is 1/2. And hence here is our solution. This is how we solve 2/3 of 3/4 by multiplying and simplifying the fractions.